top keyboard shortcuts in Amazon shopping. If you're looking for some of the keyboard shortcuts that you can utilize for your Amazon shopping services, it is fairly simple. Now, the Amazon shopping itself does not have any native or a built-in keyboard shortcuts that Amazon provides, because it is not a visual editing app, not any sort of app. It's just a shopping application, and there aren't any definite keyboard shortcuts that you can utilize. However, you can use the system level shortcuts like copy, command, and paste, and so on. So if you want to copy something, you can select, let's say, a text like this, and you can use Ctrl C or Command C to copy it. And to paste it, you can use Ctrl V or Command V to paste it like this, based on wherever you want to paste it, and you'll be able to do so. But aside from that, there isn't a native shortcut that you can use for all the other functions that is related to Amazon. Hopefully in the future, they might add this. In that case, I will also make sure to update you about it. But until then, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.